Want to see your HTML changes live while coding? Here's how to use Live Server in Visual Studio Code. Step 1. Open VS Code and press Ctrl-Shift-X to open the Extensions panel. Step 2. Search for Live Server by Ritwick Day and click Install. Step 3. Open the HTML file you want to preview. Step 4. Right-click anywhere in the file and choose Open with Live Server. A new browser tab will open with your project. Every time you save the file, the page will refresh automatically. You can also click the Go Live button at the bottom right of VS Code. If you don't see it, make sure you opened a folder, not just a single file. To stop the server, click port 5500 in the status bar and select Stop Live Server. If this helped, like the video and leave a comment. Follow for more quick VS Code tutorials.